Welcome. Today, I will show you how to add an image to the header in Google Docs, step by step, so you can get a clean, professional look without any fuss. Open your document and go to the top. To open the header, click Insert, choose Page Elements, and then Header. If you prefer a shortcut, double-click in the top margin and the header will open right away. With the header open, it is time to add the image. Click Insert again, move to Image, and pick where the image will come from. For example, upload from computer, search the web, or drive. Choose the file, and it will appear inside the header area. You can also drag and drop images directly. It is much quicker. Click the image to select it. You will see small handles around the corners. Use those to resize the image until it fits the space the way you want. Make it big enough to be visible, but not so large that it pushes your content down. To move the image more freely, change the text wrapping. The toolbar under the image usually defaults to in line with text, which limits movement. Switch it to wrap text or behind text, and then drag the image where you want it. If you use wrap text, set the margin to 0 to bring the image closer to the page edge. For finer positioning, you can nudge the image with the arrow keys after selecting it, or drag it while holding the mouse for more control. If you choose behind text, the image acts like a background and will not shift your header text when you move it. You can also fix the position of the image if you want. When the image looks right, close the header by double-clicking anywhere in the main body of the document. Your header image will now stay in place across the pages where the header is active. Thanks for watching, and if you want the Word version or a short quick tips video, let me know, and I will write that next. If you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to my channel. Also, comment. What problem do you want me to solve in the next video? Take care and bye.